Hello and welcome to my channel, Great Programmer. In this class, we will be learning the very important methods. In the previous class, we learned about push, pop, shift, and unshift. Those methods, push, pop, are very important methods, shift and unshift as well. All these methods are mostly used while performing different operations. Today, these methods length, reverse, sort, and concatenate. In this lecture, we will be covering all these four methods. So first of all, let me define the function of the length method. What does length method do in the arrays? So length method, from the term we can infer that it will show the length of the array, or simply, or in more simplistic way, we can say that it will show the count of the elements in an array. For example, let me write the definition of the length. It will show or highlight or represent the length of an array. For example, we have an array named array, and inside that array we have values like name of different or famous places around the world, like Taj Mahal, and then White House, and then we have Silicon Valley in California. So what I will do, I will simply perform the length method on it. In the previous lecture, I told you how the methods of array work. So in order, if you haven't seen that, you must watch that first. Array dot length. I will simply console or store the array length. Len is equal to array dot length. Make sure that this method doesn't take the braces with it. So do not add that, otherwise it will throw an error. And we will simply write the length of array and then length, because we have stored the array length of array in len variable. So we have printed it here. So we have to, in order to run the program, we will first comment out the other remaining text, which is not basically understandable to the compiler. So here we will run it and it will try to see what it produces. So here we go. Here is the length of, because we have three variables, Taj Mahal, or the three values, three name of the places. Instead of this, I shall write more meaningful name of places. This is more meaningful. This array is basically highlighting the name of the various famous places around the world: Taj Mahal, White House, and Silicon Valley. So I simply wrote or stored the length of name of places. We will replace all these value at other places as well, so we may not get any error when the program executes. So we have stored the length of name of the places variable or the array inside the len, and then I have simply printed it. And then we will re-execute this in order to make sure that this we get the right result or the correct result. Here we have the length of array is 3 because we have 3 values inside the name of places. This is how the length method works. And then next we have reverse method. For example, you have the problem or any task that defines or that asks you to reverse the values of an array. Okay, it what, and let's define it first. It reverses the values of an array. How it reverses an value of an array, let me tell you. Okay, first we will define an array. Okay, reverse array. We will define a array name reverse array, and then we will simply store numbers in it. Okay, so 1 comma 2 comma 3, okay, comma 4 comma 5, right? So then we will simply perform define a variable reverse, and then perform reverse operation on the reverse array dot reverse. That's it. This is how you will perform operation on the reverse, and we will simply print the reversed array, all right. Here it is. So now we will execute our code. Let's see. All right, here is the resultant array. In the reverse array, this is first from our length method, where we have defined the length of an array, and then we have reversed array. Okay, in this array, in the straight array, we have 1 2 3 4 5, and then we have performed reverse operation on it and stored the value in reverse. What this line does, this line simply stores the reverse operation performed on the array. So in the reverse variable, we have reversed array, that is 5 4 3 2 1. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5, then in the reverse array we have got 5 4 3 2 1. That's it. This is how reverse array works. Reverse method works in an JavaScript. So next we have sort. The sort method in an array puts the values in an order, in an ascending order. Okay, all right. Okay, so how it defines the values in an ascending order, like let's say this is, we are firstly defining unsorted array. In an unsorted array we have random values, like we have 5 3 55 25 100. Okay, we have these 5 values, and we will perform the operation on unsorted array, and we will store in a variable called sorted. Unsorted array dot sort. What this actually, here we are performing sort operation on the unsorted array. So our unsorted array will be converted into a sorted array. Okay, so in the sorted array, let's see what's happening. We will console the values. Okay, here it is sorted array, and then we will simply print sorted, because we have stored unsorted sorting operation in the sorted variable. Here we go, we will simply execute it. Okay, For some reasons, it is the numbers are not working in an array. We will try to add other values in the array. So let's see if they are working. But it should work because the number take actually on the back end we have uh, ASCII numbers. So ASCII numbers of can be of characters as well as numbers. So here we will try to replace the values with the characters or the numbers with the characters from example from W3 schools. Right here inside instead of numbers we shall use any name of the fruits. Okay, mango, banana, and then we have orange. Let's see if this works. Okay, here we have missed the braces. We will use braces. All right, here what basically how it performs, how it basically works at the back end. It simply checks the first variable of the values. First variable, like the ASCII number of B is lower than the ASCII value of M, and ASCII value of O is greater than the ASCII value of M. So this perform a comparison operator. Here we can see on the W3 schools, we can see that compare, this is how it basically works at the back end. So it performs a comparison operation. So when it throws the result, it will sends in a ordered array. So here in the result we can see the ordered array where the banana comes first instead of mango here in an unsorted, and then comes the mango, and then comes the orange. So that is how the sorting works. And then we have concatenation simply combines the values, or the simple, or we can say it merges the two arrays. How? Let me tell you. Okay, in the example we will define two arrays. We have A, inside A we have Alex, Johnson, Jimmy. And in the array B, let's say we have an array B, and inside that array we have Ali, Ahmad, and Saad. So we will perform, let's say we have concatenated array, and a dot concat B. What will we do next? We will simply print this. We are performing concat function or the method on the operation on the array A, where we are concatenating array B with array A. Okay, and if we want to concatenate B with A, so we will simply reverse the values. On the place of A we will put B, and on the place of B we will put A, so the values will be reversed. The value on which operation is performed will come the first, like A dot concat first A will come and then the values of B will be concatenated. So here we will simply console the log of log concatenated arrays and then con where we have stored, and we will execute this. All right, here we can see that Alex first a values of array A come are appearing, Alex, Johnson, Jimmy, and then we have the values of B. Okay, these are the two arrays. What if we have third array C? Inside C we have some more names. John, Alistair, Stubbs. We have the all these. So what will we do? We will simply paste the value third array inside the concat method. So we will try to execute the code and we'll see the result. Let's see. All right, here we can see John, Alistair, and Stubbs have been added in our resultant array. So this was all about our class for today. So if you have any query, let me know in the comment section. Also, if you want to see, it is very important to get all the methods clear. So for today's class, it is we have covered the 4 different methods: reverse, sort, and concat, and then length method. These methods are very much important and very much useful in the JavaScript. Apart from this, if you have missed the previous lecture, you must watch. I will be adding the link in the description. You should watch it because push, pop, shift, unshift are used most of the times while we perform or do any of the task. So thank you so much.